Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So today this is the look that I created. I'm living my mermaid slash unicorn slash everything vibes because I saw it on Raw Beauty Christie's channel. It was like 2 or 3 years back, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna recreate it, but it would be on my own flick. So I have just used like craft that you use, craft glitters and all that, and I have used eyelash glue just to stick it on. So guys, this would not be a tutorial per se because I know nobody is gonna follow this tutorial, and I'm really happy. It looks so beautiful when it shines. And like if you have to go to some like event and that is dark light, that has dark light, I think everybody is gonna fall in love with this look, and especially that green type of look that looks beautiful. And like I'm so happy right now. So guys, if you want to see how I turned out from a normal human being to this, then keep on watching.
Guys, starting with the base, you need to have base because we are not gonna use paints, we are actually going to use the eyeshadows. So I'm just using Lakme foundation and blending it out. Now going with the concealer, I am using Swiss Beauty concealer in shade number 2 and using the fingertips because it gives the best coverage using fingertips and you use a lot less product. And just blend, 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 blend. So guys, for your information, we are gonna use three primarily colors. The first one is blue that I'm applying. Then we would be blending it out with pink color, and after that we would use purple color on the outside of the face just to make a shadow. So yeah, I'm just using blue color and patting it out so that it is blended and it is not splotchy at any time. Just use a little bit at a time and just gradually build it up. Once I'm using light blue color, also dark blue color. It's combination of all the blue shades you have in any palette. You can use it and just uh, slightly slowly build it. Now using the pink color and blending blue with that, and using the mid almost the right and left side part of the face and the eyes for that pink color to just shine through. Now it's time to just shade a little bit, and I'm using purple. Right now it's gonna look a little blotchy because purple are very hard to make. So yeah, it looks a little blotchy, but as soon as you're starting to blend it, it is gonna blend out. Please don't be tensed about that, it's gonna blend out. So use a little bit at a time, and just again the same process is like building up on it, not a lot at the time. That is gonna just ruin your whole makeup. Now it's time to shine. So I started using those Nagwala bindis to whole of my face, and applied little a bit glitters, different shades of glitter to my face everywhere on above my eyebrow. And now I'm using freehand technique just to make little stars, two cross signs on all over my face using different colors. You can use blue, you can use purple, you can use any color, whatever you like. But I started highlighting it with basically that is the white color because it highlights the most. So I used with white color, and then you can use red, pink, blue, whatever shade you like, just to make small dots on your face, so that it could look pretty like freckle type of thing. Forgot to talk about what is on my face on, and especially on my nose, that these are small cut glitters that you could do. They're basically called sitaras. You can get it in your local shops and all that. So I just used eyelash glue just to stick it where I want to. I wanted the main attraction on the nose because I really like that part. So I used most of the sitaras of different color, that is blue, green, and kind of red shade in between my face, especially on my nose, and used eyelash glue to stick it. It's very easy. You can just use your hand or any uh, like brush to just stick it out. So it's not difficult. Just try it for once. Again, guys, there is no limit how much you can use those highlights. You can use any color, and I'm just finishing it up wherever I think that okay, I need a little bit more hair, so I just finish it up, put on my eyelashes, and I'd be right back.
Guys, this was the final look I created. It took me like years almost to create this look, but I was so excited. Just let me zoom you out. So guys, this was the final look. I'm really happy. And when you are not so much bright in light, it looks much more beautiful. If it shows up in like, especially flashlights and all that, it shows up a lot. It's, when you want to find something and you don't find it, it's like so irritating. I can't do it.